Welcome back. Now we do now have a page that we can place on our digital store. If you click on View Funnel or View Funnel Step here at the very beginning, we will be able to see the page that we're going to be placing on a digital store page. We can copy that link to the clipboard. We can now head to our websites. We can click on Digital Stores. We can now head to our digital store. We can now add a new product. We can add an external link. We can now place that link here in this area. And what we can do is we can name the link. If you want to add in an image, you can add one in here. We're not going to for the sake of this video, but this is something that you can customize with an image. Once we have all the information in, we can then click Publish. And basically what we have now done is we have now added a second link to our page. We can now go and click to view the page. And we now have two links on our page, and one of them allows us to collect a name and email address and then give the individual access to a course that we have created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.